In the serial Kumkum Bhagya, Alia will be now seen playing double game with Tanu and Pragya. Yes, once she tries to behave nice with Tanu and promises her that she will bring her Abhi back. And on the other side, she tells Pragya that she will make Abhi meet her. It seems Alia is on her way to make the audience go haywire. But will she be getting successful in her plan? What twist will come lies in the future episodes. So, what do you think on this story? Reply in the comment box below. And for more such TV updates, don't forget to subscribe our channel TV Prime Time.